Let's talk about singing. If you learn nothing from me at Parkland, you should learn this. Singing is important, and we don't do enough singing with children. Okay, let's keep going and talk about why it's important. Music is an integral part of a quality early childhood curriculum. Are you singing and listening to music with your kids? You should be. Music plays a role in setting the tone of the classroom, right? It can't be a sad, chaotic classroom if there's nice music, right? So it's comforting, it's calming, it helps people focus. I always have to listen to music when I'm working. It helps my brain tune out the other things. Music plays a role in developing skills and concepts. Many very smart people who know a lot of things are also musicians. Music helps develop your brain. It helps you understand and recognize patterns. It helps you figure out how things correspond. It helps your listening ability. Um, Music often helps children make transitions. A lot of times we sing a song when we're moving from putting things away to going to snack time. Building a sense of community. There are very few things that we all do together all at the same time. Music and movement are generally some of those where we are focusing on working together, doing the same thing at the same time. And music plays a role in laying the foundation for reading readiness because it's helping children hear and process language, which plays a role in helping them learn to read. So, how does it help set the tone of the classroom? It's fun. Children, I don't know what this says here, perceive activities that involve music and singing to be positive and engaging, right? We all want to do positive, fun, engaging things in the classroom, and singing tends to be one of them. Using music in the classroom can give children cues about expectations. Calm, quiet music for quiet activities, loud, active music for exciting times. Have you ever seen an angry person singing? Generally not. When you are singing, you tend to relax. Developing skills and concepts. This is learning songs, right? The ABCs we learn through singing. Hickety Pickety Bumblebee. I don't know if you know that song, Hickety Pickety Bumblebee. It's almost more of a chant than a song, but can you say your name for me? Can you shout it? Amy. Can you whisper it? Can you clap it? Amy, right? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, counting songs, color songs, movement songs. These are all ways to help children learn skills and concepts. I believe that there are certain children who learn best through singing and music. My daughter, when she was in first grade, had a hard time with math. If she sang the problems, they meant it made more sense to her. Um, Anybody who's my age who grew up with Schoolhouse Rock, you know what an adverb is because of a song about it. You know about the number three because a song about it. Anytime you can sort of set a concept to music, it is more engaging and it makes more of an impression on a lot of people. Now, some people don't learn through music at all. It just is a totally foreign concept, but there's a whole group of people out there that if you can make a song about it, they'll learn it better. Helping children make transitions using songs or music to make transitions during the day gives children a cue a transition is about to happen, right? Helps them focus on the transition and makes it fun. So this is why we sing good morning and goodbye songs and cleanup songs and washing hand songs and walking to the bathroom songs. And it gives children a focus, right? And it reminds them this is what we're doing now. It builds a sense of community. Like I said before, singing is a shared activity that all children and teachers are encouraged to do together. It promotes teamwork and shows children that they all have a place. We're all doing the same thing together at the same time. And that's why it's also important that teachers sing too. Show them, be a role model. They don't care about your voice, they care about the activity and doing it together. Laying the foundation for reading readiness, using songs and rhymes to build vocabulary. Some songs have words in them that they don't encounter other places. Using songs and rhymes to teach phonological sensitivity, that's sound discrimination. Like I said, songs and rhymes help you listen. You need to know what's going to happen next, so you need to listen. And you're developing your listening and thinking skills. Using songs and rhymes to build vocabulary. Introduce and explain new words like the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. What's a water spout? Talk about it. Change words in familiar songs, right? Twinkle, twinkle, silent star, or brilliant star, or gigantic star. Use familiar tunes to create your own teaching songs. This is big and this is small, this is small, this is small, right? Use rhymes and songs to teach spatial vocabulary. Jack and Jill went up the hill or down the hill or whatever. But there are songs for every occasion. Using songs and rhymes to teach phonological sensitivity, that's sound discrimination. Point out songs that use words with the same beginning letter. Miss Mary, Mac, 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 right? Sing songs that use sounds. Wheels on the Bus, Old MacDonald, right? The wipers went swish, swish, swish. The on his farm, he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, the cow with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Sing songs that use nonsense words for the feel and sound. Aram, Sam, Sam. What's the one? A kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Kookaburra is a real thing, but if all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. Okay. So for the feel and sound of those sounds and nonsense words. Point out words that rhyme, clap on rhyming words, shout rhyming words, pause and let kids fill in. The most important thing that you can do is sing songs and have fun. Develop listening and thinking skills. Finger plays and movement songs, the kids need to listen and process, right? Stopping and starting music activities to foster and train listening. Paint to music. Tell them to stop painting when the music stops. Tell them to paint at the speed of the music. They have to be doing two processing things at the same time then. They're processing what they're hearing and they're painting. This is important thinking. Using music in other areas. Take it into the art area. Take it outside. There is nothing better than on a beautiful day sitting outside and singing songs with little kids, or playing games, singing songs and dancing. Wow. In the early learning setting, music's engaging nature encourages children to attend during reading activities, invites them to be active listeners, and promotes comprehension and dialogue. Music isn't just about music. It's about the feelings that it encourages in children. It's about helping them focus. It's about helping them be better listeners. It's about building their vocabulary. So, brain development. Experience wires the brain and repetition strengthens the wiring, right? So singing is an enjoyable, repetitive activity. Same areas of the brain are used for processing language and music. Okay, incorporating music from a variety of cultures can help children see themselves in the classroom. If you have children who are from other lands, who come from cultures other than your own, ask their families about the music that they like, the music that they hear at home. It's important for all children to experience new and different things. And so having the kids who are bringing their music from home bring into the classroom helps them feel comfortable. It helps them feel like they're teaching their friends new things. It makes them feel important. Singing helps English language learners learn through play. Singing is a way to help children get new words, to understand new concepts, right? And it's fun. So, an English language learner, someone whose first language is not English, helping them with songs makes it that more engaging. Reading books with music helps establish knowledge of print. When you are reading Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and almost every song that you sing with preschoolers or young children, they've made a book of it. This way, children can make the connection between the song words that you're singing, the pictures on the page, and the words that are on the pages, right? Positive experiences singing songs and reciting chants help children develop literacy disposition or the desire to read. When they have fun doing things, they want to do it more. When they are saying words and doing chants and singing songs in a fun way, it helps them. It helps them have a positive attitude about that, and then it will help them feel better about learning to read. Sing every day. You are helping children develop a lifelong love of learning, promoting literacy skills, fostering brain development, and encouraging social emotional development. Remember, they don't care how you sound, right? This is all about the fun of doing it together. And you should be singing at least 3 songs every day with your students. And this is really important. You need to expand your repertoire of songs. You should be singing more than ABCs, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Row, Row, Row Your Boat, The Wheels on the Bus, and Old MacDonald. You need to go looking for a bunch of songs that you can have in your repertoire that you can use anytime. These are song rings. They're cards that have a picture on one side. It's a picture of a child going to preschool. And on the other side, it has lyrics to a song. So this one is a kid, it's clearly a kid who's just gotten to preschool. And the song on the back is I'm Glad We're All Together, which goes, I'm glad we're all together, together, together. I'm glad we're all together to sing and to play. There's Amy and Kathy and Sarah and Margaret. I'm glad we're all together to sing and to play. This song ring hangs or hung in my group area in my classroom. So when it was time to sing songs, kids could, the song leader for the day could get the song ring and pick the songs based on, they didn't need to read anything. They just looked through and could find songs that they wanted to sing, right? And for teachers, it was helpful because the words are on the back. Because sometimes you're sitting in the middle of group time and you can't remember the words to Row, Row, Row Your Boat. That one might be a stretch. But this helps you, right? There are websites all over the place that have the list of the 100 best songs to sing with preschoolers. Make yourself some kind of system so that you remember to sing different songs all the time. All right? Keep singing, sing more. I guarantee you're not singing enough, and it's fun.